Our species is called Homo sapiens sapiens, and that means in Latin, a species that knows and knows that it knows. Maybe we need to actually grow into that name now, because it's sort of very precocious that we gave it to ourselves, but that may be the actual turning point, coming to our senses, getting a grip on what's most important and reconfiguring our society so that we actually optimize what's most beautiful and good in our humanity, and we minimize and actually create new laws to actually minimize the kinds of tendencies towards violence and harming that are, in some sense, also part of our generic inheritance. These are sort of toxic mental factors that it's time we actually named and then developed forms of education and forms of discourse and forms of being together that actually regulate that. So we know each other and we know ourselves, and yet we don't know ourselves. So to the degree that we know ourselves, we fill the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Museum of Modern Art and the Philharmonic Symphony Halls and so forth with beauty. To the degree that we don't know each other, we create mayhem. And we see it all over the world. Tribalism, anger, ethnic strife, disregard, violence for minorities and women and children. And this is in a developed society. I don't think so. I think we need to take seriously that the name that was given to our species, Homo sapiens sapiens, a species that knows and knows that it knows.